Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what keyboard you have and why its sound matters. Mechanical switches ring, membranes thud. Once done, remove keycaps only if needed and clean debris. This affects tone. Next, open your operating system sound panel or the vendor keyboard software to find typing feedback or keypress sound options. You need these controls because software adjustments are the quickest way to change volume and style. Make sure to keep a backup of current profiles before changing settings. You now focus on both software and physical mods to shape the final sound. In the app, select alternate keypress samples, lower volume, or toggle tactile click. This gives immediate change. For hardware, add 1/2 mm O-rings or foam dampeners under the keycaps to reduce clack. These alter resonance. If you want a deeper change, lube switches or add films between housing parts to remove rattle, and test after each mod so you hear incremental differences and avoid over-modifying. You finish by testing the keyboard in real tasks and adjusting small settings until satisfied. Try different velocities and layouts so the sound is consistent. Once happy, save a profile and document any physical mods you performed. If something goes wrong, keys sticking, worse noise, use this troubleshooting tip. Return to stock configuration step by step, testing after each reassembly to isolate the problem. Then reapply only the successful change. This method prevents compounding errors and gets you a reliable final tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.